everybody. What I wanted to do today is do an unpacking fire kit that I make, and I've had a couple of people request showing how it works. So we'll kind of go through that. I've got a live video showing how I actually make this over on the Facebook page. But first we've got a metal tin that can also be used later on to make the char cloth, because included in the kit I actually include char cloth. So you've got char cloth, you have a piece of chert or flint, some people call it. Char cloth, which is just basically cloth that's kind of charcoal. So that's why I call it char cloth. And then of course you've got my forged striker. And the best way to use this is, it's really not as hard as it seems. I'm going to take one piece of char cloth, and then what you're going to do is, I'm going to set this off to the side just a second. We'll make sure it doesn't blow away. There. Is what we're trying to do actually is we're wanting to shave off a piece of metal. That's what creates your spark. And the way I do this is I take the striker and I actually go against the flint or chert, that whatever that you have. And then you'll shave off a little piece, and then we'll take the char cloth and we'll lay it right here on top in order to catch the spark, and then the char cloth will turn into an ember, and then you can use that to start your fire. So kind of the technique that I do is it's like this. Okay, so I'm taking it and I'm just kind of, you don't have to hit it real hard. You just want to, all you're doing is trying to scrape just a little bit. See how the sparks are flying? See, I mean, it's nice. It creates a lot of spark. This is really kind of fun. All right, so we're going to take our little piece of char cloth and we're going to set it back from the edge that we're striking just a little bit. The wind's kind of blowing out here, so be patient with me if it takes me a couple of strikes. Well, there we go. See, we have an ember. So it was that easy. And you can tell the wind's blowing a little bit. And it's caught fire, and you use that to start your fire. Trying to keep that to where it doesn't blow off somewhere. So that is the Ravens Keep Forged Fire-striker in a tin. Thanks for watching.